Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a great Wednesday, and boy, it was ugly out there in the Wenatchee Valley and really all over north central Washington. Let's get you right outside our weather window, and this is up in Okanogan County, our Billy Goat tower camera, and you can see Pateros here, Brewster here, and that bank of smoke hanging along the horizon. Weather quality up in Okanogan County, not bad today. As you can see, Brewster at 69. We go over here to our index. That's in the moderate range, but look what happens as we head down to Wenatchee. 315, which is in the hazardous zone. Also 288 reported near Wenatchee. Very unhealthy. And boy, look at the difference. We showed you the Billy Goat camera for Pateros. This is the Wenatchee Heights camera looking down at the Wenatchee Valley. And yeah, it's supposed to be right here, but we have had this smoke since early this morning, and it just didn't go anywhere, and it's going to stick around tonight as well. On top of all that, we have a fire weather watch that has now been upgraded to a red flag warning for Thursday. We're talking afternoon and evening hours, 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. for almost all of us except for the western part of Chelan County, where we could see about 10 to 20 mile-an-hour winds, gusts to 30. But boy, with fires already ongoing, we are hoping these fires don't spread even more, so we are really keeping our eye on Thursday. As we get past Thursday into Friday and the upcoming weekend, maybe breezy in extreme eastern Washington, not so much for us. We're going to see some more of that smoke Friday morning. We're hoping it goes away in the afternoon with temperatures in the 70s, and then this weekend, boy, it looks nice. Partly cloudy with high temperatures in the upper 70s. We're hoping this smoke goes away by the time the weekend goes around. Today, unofficially, high temperature exactly like yesterday at 78 degrees. 73 is our normal for this time of year. 90 our record, and that was set in 2009. 52 this morning. 50 is where we should be for an overnight low, and 38 our record. That was set in 1984. Sunrise this morning, 6:51, and it sets tonight at 6:54. Almost exactly 12 hours of light and 12 hours of dark now as we head into the first part of fall. 83 for your Thursday high temperature for Moses Lake and Ephrata. Quincy, you'll see around 81 degrees tomorrow. And boy, these temperatures, folks, are very difficult to predict right now because of that smoke factor. 79 in Wenatchee, Eniat, and Chelan, 77 in Leavenworth, and 78 tomorrow. The high temperature in Kashmir, depending on how much smoke we see. All right, tonight, widespread smoke will continue. You can see our airflow out of the northwest, bringing all that smoke from those fires in our area right into the Wenatchee Valley. We'll see lows tonight into the upper 50s, so a little bit warmer than we've been seeing. For Thursday, yeah, here is that wind. High pressure to the west, low pressure to the east. Widespread smoke will still be in play as well tomorrow. High temperatures for Thursday in the upper 70s. We're going to see a pretty strong westerly wind. For Friday, lots of smoke in the morning. We're hoping that dissipates by afternoon, partly cloudy, hopefully by Friday afternoon, and cooler with temperatures in the mid-70s. For Saturday and the weekend, we'll see a few clouds on Saturday. A very weak cold front will slide through the state, really won't produce anything but a few clouds. Saturday's highs in the upper 70s to end the weekend on Sunday. Boy, it really looks nice, but you can see an area of low pressure just off the Oregon coast with lots of clouds and some showers associated with that. We'll move to the north as we get you into Sunday night and into Monday. By the way, Sunday's highs in the upper 70s. And here we go on Monday. Looks like more of that wind in our forecast for Monday. Partly cloudy. Lots of clouds out there with about a 40% chance that we'll see some rain showers. And boy, wouldn't it be nice. Monday's high temperatures cooling down into the low 70s. And then by the end of our forecast on Tuesday, a break between storm systems. We'll see partly cloudy skies Tuesday, even a little bit cooler with afternoon highs just right around 70 degrees. Now let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. 58 overnight tonight. More of that haze and smoke for both Thursday and Friday. 79 Thursday, 75 your high temperature on Friday. Looks to be a beautiful weekend ahead with partly cloudy skies both days. 78 your high temperature, and then a cool down for Monday and Tuesday. Maybe a shower or two on Monday with highs then then in the low 70s. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.